what you will say, we will connect again. Like do one thing, like before tomorrow class, like do share me the all the what we say, all the uh, do share with me all of your updates regarding what do you think about that particular case study, and then we can like we'll discuss it tomorrow, not today. Then. I'm just sharing my screen.
All right.
I'm just sharing my screen. And I'll show you. And okay. So are you all able to see the screen? When you're able to see the
Yes, sir. Now we can see it.
okay, thank you. So this was with the pandas, and I just asked you to, and from where we'll be starting is like, for example, uh, like before you went to the stats class, did we complete the pandas? No, no.
Yes, sir. We were done with it, and we were just left with the classes in the pandas. And you told us that once you'll start with machine learning, you'll cover class again. Although you just gave us, around 4 to 5
Okay,
examples of classes. Yeah, you did cover
okay.
pandas.
So did we cover this? Did we cover this conditional formatting also?
नहीं, I think conditional formatting नहीं करी थी हमने.
Hmm?
But generally जो operations हैं
हमने
data
मिसिंग
frame में
वैल्यूज
जो
भी
हम
नहीं
यूज
किया था,
करते हैं,
करेक्ट?
missing values आपने generally बता दिया था कि हम डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि लाइक वहाँ पे ट्रू और फॉल्स आ जाएगा जहाँ पर हमारे पास मिसिंग वैल्यूज होंगी. बट उनको फिल कैसे करना है, कोई
ओके ओके
स्पेशल
ओके.
जो हमें इंडेक्सिंग से
नहीं तो
पोजिशनिंग
फिर
सेट
हमने
करनी
नहीं
है.
किया था. Okay, okay, okay. So
हाँ, हम
actually,
कर सकते हैं,
we have
वो
not
नहीं करी.
completed the pandas one. हमने complete नहीं किया था.
ओके,
So
सो लाइक हमने
I
50%
can say
किया
the
है तो.
data frames we will start from here. 30%.
ओके.
So we are left with multiple things. So like now we'll start with the data frames. So data frames actually, like I think I gave a, so we are quite familiar with this concept.
हाँ जी.
So in data frames, this is the syntax for creating a data frame. We need to write, use the command pd dot data frame d capital F capital, and this is the dictionary one where a b c d are the keys, 1 2 3 4 are the values for the same. There are two dictionary one and dictionary two. What we are doing is we are getting a meta dictionary. For first it will be dict one and the second it will be dict two. So we are not like doing the series operation as we have covered them up. So Abhimanyu, are you there?
Yes,
Abhimanyu,
Gurdeep. Yeah. Hello.
Are you there?
Yes, Gurdeep. Are you able
I
to
think
hear me?
Abhimanyu is calling. Yeah, I'm able to hear you, Abhimanyu.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. So I like gave the option of revising the founders. Okay, now tell me one thing. Just let me know the data frame which will be created by this. What will be the column name for the DF? Just
Uh,
much of a quick
uh,
revision again. Yeah. What will be
Column
the
name
column
is
names for this particular data frame?
first and
Yeah.
second is the name of column,
Okay.
and
Yes.
value in row इंडेक्स इज A B C D E, एंड जो सेकंड वाला कॉलम होगा उसमें ई की वैल्यू 9 होगी.
Correct, Abhimanyu. Correct. So if I run this to just show you up, so this is only like okay, saying both models. So it should be SPD. There will be what do you say? You can say aliasing करने से पहले we need to write as here in the syntax. And now if I run it up, correct. And similarly is the case with this. And here too, like in this case, yeah, I think we covered this. So Rishabh, can you just briefly tell me like what will be the column names on the index name column?
well, इसके अंदर we'll have columns A, B, C, D, E. उसके नीचे values लिख देंगे A की, B की, C की, D की और E की और indexing में 0 आ जाएगा.
Correct. So this is your correct. The indexing will be 0. Whereas in this case, you can say the column will be first, as like Abhimanyu gave the hint for the same. So it do depend that your keys will be the column name. So in this case, your keys are the column names, and you have specified a separate index for the same, that is 0. Whereas in the another data frame, we were having a major key that is first as the column name, and ABCD हमारे index आ गए. ठीक है. ये भी हमने किया था. I think Diksha, you just informed it in the last class too. Can you just repeat the thing like what will be the column name and what will be the index numbers?
In this case, we'll be having rows as मतलब index में हमारे पास होगा A, B, C, D और
Okay.
नहीं sorry, हमारे कॉलम्स होंगे A, B, C, D और इंडेक्स हमारा 0 रहेगा और इसमें हमारे पास A के लिए वैल्यू होगी 1 2 3 4 5, B के लिए 1 2 3 4 5, C के लिए 1 2 3 4 5. सो हाँ ठीक है. तो इसमें हमारे पास जो इंडेक्स है वो 0 1 2 3 4 बन जाएगा डिफॉल्ट.
Correct. So it will be much. So yeah. So the index of the list will be taken as the index for the data frame. Kushpender, what will be the output for this particular cell? Kushpender?
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, so here the indexes will be X, Y, Z, A, B, B, and what is dict one? Yeah, dict one. Yeah, with the column, just the index will change, and the index will be X, Y, Z, A, B, B. Hello.
Sorry,
Hello?
can you repeat again? Yes. Can you repeat again, Kushpender?
Yeah.
Am I
index will
audible?
change. Yeah, you are audible. Yeah.
Okay.
Index will change. So, and the index will be X, Y, Z, A, and B, B.
Okay, here for data frame one, this will be the sorry, this will be the index, correct? X, Y, Z. What will be the output from this line? What this line does?
Reset index to, then it will reset the index to 0 1 2 3 4.
And okay, what this will do?
Set index. This will.
Okay, so I'll just repeat it again. So how this works is, so for this you are correct, your index will be X, Y, Z, A, B, B. When I run this one, reset index is equal to true, in place is equal to true. So what will happen is all my previous index, these were the index, it will create a new column with the name index, and my new index will be 0 1 2 3 4. This is a process of resetting the index. And now what I do is in this command, if I want to set a particular column as an index, for example, here I again wanted to set in the column index as the index again, then my this particular index column also became the index again. So first of all, it was only the index. I removed it and it became a column. It is done using reset index, and after that I made it a column again using set underscore index. So this is how it works. And we do have option here. So for example, when I'm doing the reset index, I get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as the index, and my previous index that was xyz is that is stored, वो चीज store हो गई एक particular नए column में. ठीक है. This is how it works. I will just modify the things up for you a little bit. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, एक्चुअली देयर इज अ कमांड ऑफ ड्रॉप टू. यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉप की कमांड होती है, ड्रॉप इज इक्वल टू ट्रू. So when I do this up, this particular line will give a error till that time. So let me just comment it out. So when I run this up, so what you will see is when I say drop is equal to true, so these were my earlier index x y z a a b b. Now अगर मैंने यहाँ पे drop is equal to true कर दिया तो ये particular जो मेरे index थे, those will not be like saved as a column which was happening earlier. वो वाला कॉलम में सेव नहीं होगा. एंड अगर मेरे को अब कोई नया कॉलम को इंडेक्स सेट करना है, सो एक्चुअली दिस विल गिव अ एरर, रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज ये कॉलम एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. करेक्ट. सो इस
Yes.
केस में मैं किसी और कॉलम को अपना इंडेक्स बना सकता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए को मैं अपना इंडेक्स बना सकता हूँ, एंड इफ दैट यू कैन सी इन द लास्ट वन. सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल वर्क. सो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, df दिस आर द न्यू इंडेक्स. आई सेट df डॉट रीसेट इंडेक्स, रीसेट किया हमने 0 1 2 3 4 ड्रॉप ट्रू करने से ये वाला जो इंडेक्स था हमारा पहले वाला एक्स वाई जेड ए बी इज नॉट बीइंग स्टोर्ड इन अ न्यू कॉलम, वो एक नए कॉलम में स्टोर नहीं हुआ. एंड फिर उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, df डॉट सेट इंडेक्स से मैंने पर्टिकुलर जो कॉलम ए था उसको मैंने अपना इंडेक्स बना दिया. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, which is being represented here. Now this is the next thing. Abhimanyu, can you tell me the use case of this? So like okay,
index
before that let me just show you. अगर आप correct. So जैसे नहीं जैसे print, if I do df dot index comma df dot columns, I say separator is not equal to a tab but is equal to a new line. So when I print this, so these were my indexes from 1 2 3 4 5 which you can see here, and my index is b c d, like because there are 3 columns only left. So what I can do is, so if I run this command, so Abhimanyu से क्या होगा, can you just let me know?
Index bcd renamed with xyz. Sorry, columns.
Correct.
And index 1 2 3 4 5 rename with r1 r2 r3 r4 r5.
So correct. So my index 1 2 3 4 5 will be renamed with r1 r2 r3 r4 5. So if I just show you up, so this is what I'm getting. जो मेरा previous data frame था उसमें मेरा index था a 1 2 3 4 5. Now the index are, these are the new indexes. And जो मेरा पहले column थे b c d, they are being renamed as x y z. This is one of the way of renaming a column. The another way of renaming a column is this. To rename the column, we can run these commands too. So if I run these ones, so okay. And let me run the data frame. So so there are two methods of renaming the column and the index. So for example यहाँ पे
Gurdeep, we are losing you. We are not able to hear you properly.
replaced by B. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, Gurdeep.
So now you are audible,
Okay.
but earlier you were not.
Okay. When like so whenever you lost my voice, like whenever you lose my voice, please let me know. So actually यहाँ पे क्या था कि जो हमारा previous data frame था XYZ, and यहाँ पे see there are two ways of renaming the column and the index. Column rename is quite useful. So आप क्या कर सकते हो, df dot rename columns, आप यहाँ पे इक्वल टू z xyz. बेसिकली मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इस z को मैं रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ xyz से, एंड y को मैं रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ आपका b से. सो यू कैन सी द, एंड आपका जो z था डेट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय xyz. एंड यहाँ पे मैं इंडेक्स को भी रीनेम कर रहा हूँ, r1 को मैं रीनेम कर रहा हूँ 1 से. एंड व्हाट इज द यूज केस ऑफ इन प्लेस इक्वल टू ट्रू? ऋषभ, 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 am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes,
Hello.
Gurdeep.
Sorry, actually, I'm facing some issue with my network connectivity. Uh, the Wi-Fi signals are getting lost in between. Okay. So I'll just share my screen again. Just hold a second. Uh, is there? Okay. So
I think like no, okay. So I think Damni will make me the presenter. Damni, are you there? Sorry for the same. For the delay in this. Okay, till that time, I think like we do have somewhat like I'm requesting Damni for the same. Till that time, can you? So how many of you like Rishabh? Have you? I think you shared the answers with me for the case study. Dikshita, have you done the case study part?
Yes, sir. I have sorted out few features.
Okay.
Should I send you a message in the chat?
Yeah, you can share me in the chat window. And like Abhimanyu, have you done that too?
But I have
Not yet,
options
Gurdeep.
to message only to the organizers.
You do have the option of
And